Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I was actually contemplating whether or not I should do a video today, and by video I mean I'll vlog today or not. And it's currently 7 p.m. Left work, came home, and yeah man, I was like thinking the entire day, should I vlog or not? Yes, no, yes, no. But I ended up doing it. I know I think it's been like 2 weeks that I haven't uploaded anything on YouTube, so I apologize for that. Okay, so let me tell you what I am working on. First off, I am working on my startup website, and which is Zaboom.com, if those of you who do not know. And what I'm doing right now is, this is an Excel sheet on this monitor right here. There are 67 Muslim businesses on my website that all of a sudden just like information on these businesses just went missing. Information such as phone number, address, office hours, things like that. So I need to go over them. It's not gonna take a day. It's probably gonna take a couple of weeks to get this completed. Patrick, my business partner of Zaboom.com, and he does the back-end like programming, coding, and things like that. He's a web Slack expert. He's a web Slack expert. Yeah, he got me the information. I asked for it. So the good news is we have it, and well, I have it. And the bad news is I'm gonna have to add this information manually. So therefore, it's gonna take all of this month. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be working on. And you know what, like, let me tell you guys something serious. Every day I think like, should I? Okay, so, you know what? I need a better setting for this. I think this is a better angle. All right, so when I'm not sharing design and talking about UX design, product design, and just sharing my experience, tutorial, and all that good stuff in my YouTube channel, and there will be a lot of content about that as well. I always think that maybe I should vlog every single day and share my business experience of Zaboom.com. I do not have an investor. I'm not like, businesses are not paying to be on my site, and it's pretty much a whole new experience with me to share it with you guys. Like, basically what I'm trying to say is I want to show you guys how to build a pitch deck and how to get investors, and you know, how to sign a partnership deal, and how I'm building this product better day by day, month by month, year by year, right? In terms of building the product, I'm really good at it, and I've built, you know, successful known brand. But in terms of doing pitch deck and making businesses pay to be on my websites, those things, that whole business experience thing, I'm very new at it. It's something that I want to share with you guys, and I hope that inspires you guys to create your own startup. People nowadays on Instagram, Twitter, they just write the word entrepreneur, and they have never built a pitch deck in their life before. They didn't even build this app that they've been talking about for the last, you know, 2 months, and they don't even have a logo. They don't even have the idea. All they've been doing was just like talking about it. If you're in that phase, that's totally normal. When I was building Zaboom, I did a research by asking a lot of people whether they would use this product or not. That's number one. Number two, I asked myself, will I be using this product or not? And by product, I mean the website or not. And everyone was interested about it. They were happy about it. And I never told anyone that like I'm gonna be building it. After that, I started building the product with Patrick, of course. And now it's been, I think, 5 years or more, and a lot of people have heard about it. They use it. My Instagram following is 1,400, which is great because I never did any, I never bought my followers. I worked hard on it. I went to YouTube how to gain followers, how to build a relationship like in an organic way. I'm also learning search engine optimization, so I don't have to pay someone $2,000 to $5,000 a month, because I cannot afford that, and that's the fact. I mean, a lot of you guys who want to build your business, I know you guys are not UX designers, or I know that you guys are not, you know, web developers or brand designers or any sorts of specialists where you guys can save a lot of money on building your product, right? So therefore you guys have to learn things. And I'm on the same boat. Like, I am not a search engine optimization specialist. Bracket is SEO. So I'm learning that. And SEO, those of you guys who do not know, is having to find your product on Google, Yahoo, or Bing search engine organically without having to invest on a keyword. Like with Zaboom.com, I wouldn't have to pay the word halal or halal restaurant or halal restaurant near you to Google. Like, once I learn SEO, I can figure out a way to have my business on search engine when someone types halal restaurant near you for free. And by free means I'm spending my time learning how to do it. So I don't know if you guys would be interested in that sort of experience of me vlogging it. If you guys are, please comment below and give it a big thumbs up. If you guys comment on it and say yes, that's gonna help me to create my vlogs. It's not gonna be like highly professional and shit like that. Like, I'm not gonna like vlog the highway and all this crazy shit, but I'm gonna make it interesting. I'm not gonna make it boring. And I will do my help you guys in this journey, in this new vlog journey. I know I talked a lot about this. I hope you guys understood what I was saying. And yeah, so like I said, if you guys did, just comment and say yes. If you are a designer, if you're a programmer, if you're none of those, and you guys are still interested because you want to create a startup in 2019 this year, just say yes. And while you're at it, just click on that, you know, thumbs up icon, okay? I want to talk about this right here, but I want to go somewhere better. I just don't want to talk about everything in here, so it kind of gets boring. One of the feedbacks I got was I stay at the same spot too much, so therefore I'm going to move around.